Welcome! In front of me is an Honor 9A, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application, or in this case it looks like it's just a dialer. Navigate to your contacts, tap on the three little dots, go to Settings, and in here we have Import Export. You want to select Import from SIM card right over here, and this will show you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So if you want all of them, you can simply press right here, select all, and select Import. If you want majority of them but not all, as an example, then again select all, deselect contacts that you don't want, import. Now from here you want to select the device, and there we go. The contacts have now been imported, and if you go back you should be able to see them right over here. So that is how you'd import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.